Thank you, Imagine One Love. And thank you all for being here. And thank you all for throwing this amazing festival and creating this space for all of us to be able to be together. Imagine One Love. I would like to announce my good friend. This is the Funky Love Junkie. He's amazing. He's gonna play a good set for you guys. Let's party all night longer.
Yeah, I just want to thank everyone for coming out and contributing to this. Like, it's way beyond anything I pictured was going to happen here. And it's the beginning of so much more.
Sinners